If you're a Minecraft player, you've likely heard of TLauncher, a popular third-party launcher that lets you play Minecraft without a premium account. However, TLauncher has faced controversy over its legality and security. Some users have reported issues with malware and unlicensed software, raising concerns about the safety and legitimacy of the launcher. Given these concerns, it's wise to explore some reliable alternatives that offer a secure and feature-rich experience. Let's look at some top choices. Legacy Launcher. Legacy Launcher is a direct alternative to TLauncher and is completely safe when downloaded from its official site. It's open source, so you can verify its code yourself. Legacy Launcher supports older versions of Minecraft and offers a clean interface for managing your game. Multi-MC is a powerful launcher that allows you to handle multiple instances of Minecraft. It's perfect for players who experiment with different mod packs or game versions. Multi-MC offers extensive customization and is highly favored by modders and advanced users. You can download Multi-MC from their website, multimc.org, Prism Launcher. Prism Launcher is similar to Multi-MC, but offers a more user-friendly installation process and up-to-date features. It includes additional functionalities, making it a recommended choice for flexible Minecraft management. Check it out and download it at prismlauncher.org. SK Launcher. SK Launcher is popular, especially among Spanish-speaking communities. It provides easy access to Minecraft and its various editions, including mod packs and custom versions. It also features skin customization and server management. Download SK Launcher from their website, skmedics.pl. Crystal Launcher is known for its performance and ease of use. It supports various Minecraft versions and mod packs, and offers an intuitive interface for managing your game. You can download Crystal Launcher from their website, crystallauncher.net. Each of these launchers offers unique features and benefits, so you can find the best fit for your Minecraft experience. Exploring these alternatives allows you to enjoy secure and enjoyable gameplay without the risks associated with TLauncher. I'll leave links to these Minecraft launcher websites in the description below. Be sure to check them out. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content on Minecraft and other gaming topics.